Hey there, fellow travelers. Don't forget to bring a first aid kit when you travel because you never know what boo-boos can happen when you go. Whether it is running around here in the castle in Turku and falling down and scraping up your knee, or maybe you having a few too many beers last night and you got a little hangover, or maybe you ate something didn't agree with you and your tummy hurts, you're going to need some medicine when you travel. And so one thing I recommend is have a small medicine kit when you travel. You're not going to bring the entire medicine cabinet from home. You bring the essentials. So have your painkillers, your Tylenol, your Advil, your acetaminophen or ibuprofen, whichever works for you, have that. Also, since tummy troubles are probably one of the biggest things that happen to travelers, make sure you have your Imodium to stop the diarrhea because that can really get you, okay? And believe me, you don't want to get the trots when you're on the train. It's not fun, okay? Also, for less problems, maybe just an upset stomach, have the Pepto-Bismol like chewable tablets. They have them in to-go packages, which is nice. Gas X, because sometimes just the uncomfort of the gas and the flying sometimes can upset your stomach. That can help as well. But also, I think one thing is important is you might not know what allergies you have when you travel, and this has actually happened when we've taken groups where a student found out they were allergic to something after they had it. They never knew it. They were 22 years old and they didn't know they had this allergy and their entire body was swelling up. It was very scary, but we did have Benadryl to give them some to kind of calm it down until we could get to the hospital, okay? So make sure you do have a nice little first aid kit when you travel because you never know when you might need it. And also throw in some Band-Aids in there too because sometimes you fall on those cobblestones and cut up your knee, or more likely you're doing all that walking and you get a little boo-boo on the back of your heel or on the back of your foot. Yeah, those might be a little bit more helpful. So make sure you have that first aid kit with you and have a great time. I'll say bye here in Turku, Finland.